Let's go through the basic steps to set up a new ePortfolio. If one of your courses has the Digication widget enabled in Mole, you can set up your new ePortfolio directly from Mole. Click on the ePortfolio widget, then click on the green plus sign. If Digication isn't enabled in your Mole class, you can still create an ePortfolio. Go to menlocollege.digication.com and click Login. Log in using your Menlo credentials. Once you're logged in, you can click the blue plus sign to create a new ePortfolio. You'll be given the option to use a suggested template. You can also search for a template, or you can view all templates to see the different options. If you just want the most basic starting point, you can click Create from Scratch. Choose Preview to see what the template looks like, or if you're ready to choose, click Use this template. Click Create, give your portfolio a name, and click Create one more time. Then it will just take a second for your new ePortfolio to load. Once your new ePortfolio is loaded up, you can click the lock in the header section to make changes. You can add a title, an image, or other elements to the header. Click the blue plus sign to add new content to your ePortfolio. As you add new content, it will be arranged in a single column, but you can also move and resize these elements. Click the gear on individual elements to change the settings on those elements, or you can change the settings for the entire section by clicking into the section and clicking the gear on the far right of the page. Here you can do things like change the background color or add a background image. In addition to adding content, you can also press the blue plus sign to add a new section to your page. This is useful if you want to have a different background color or different attributes for different parts of your page. And also, it makes it a bit easier if you have blocks of your page that you might want to move around or reorder, because you can easily reorder the sections. You can also add additional pages to your portfolio. Unlock the header section and click the edit icon on the menu bar. This will open up a menu that will allow you to add pages, reorder the pages by clicking and dragging, and also create submenus in the menu bar by clicking a page and dragging it to the right so that it's nested under another page. Clicking the gear icon next to a page will allow you to edit the title or the link. You can also make individual pages private if you're not ready to share them. And if you check heading, this will create a heading in your menu bar without creating a separate page. When viewing your portfolio, your submenus will appear when you mouse over a menu item. When you're ready to share your portfolio, make sure to publish your changes. The first time you publish, you'll be asked to specify your publication settings. You have the option to set your portfolio to be private or to be shared only with specific people, groups, or courses. You can also set it to be visible to everyone in Menlo College or to be public. To limit access, you can make your portfolio public but require a password for anyone who wants to view it. Once you're satisfied, click Save Settings and Publish. Any changes you make to your portfolio will automatically save, but they will not automatically be published. If you make a change to your portfolio that you want to be viewable by anyone who can view your portfolio, scroll to the top of the page and click Publish Changes. You'll need to do this every time you make changes that you want to be visible. You have the option to publish changes for individual pages separately by clicking the Publish Changes button at the top of each page, which will publish changes just on that page. You can also click on the menu icon in the upper right corner to publish this page or to publish multiple pages at once. You can check and uncheck which pages you would like to publish, and then click the blue Publish button to publish all of the pages with the green check mark. Whenever you view your own portfolio, by default you'll be in edit mode, which means you can see private content and unpublished changes. If you switch to Published View, you'll be able to see your portfolio as anyone else would see it. You can change the privacy settings on your portfolio at any time by clicking the menu in the upper right corner and clicking on Settings. You also have the option to make a copy of your portfolio. If you're considering making significant changes to your portfolio, it might be wise to make a copy first. Remember that changes are automatically saved, and there is no option to revert to a previous version. But making a copy of your portfolio will allow you to go back to the older version if you decide you like it better. Menlo users are allowed to create as many ePortfolios as they want, so you have the option to create a lot of different variations if you want to make a new portfolio for a specific audience. And if you decide you don't need your portfolio anymore, you can always delete it. The Digication ePortfolio platform gives you many different options to be creative and to tailor your portfolio to your specific needs.